Hello, namaste to everyone. Our body tries to remove certain unwanted stuffs, and if we try to suppress those natural urges, then it will definitely lead to certain diseases. So, these are called Adharaniya Vegas in Ayurveda. Adharaniya Vegas are the urges which we should not suppress. It's been told in Ayurveda. So today let's know what are these Adharaniya Vegas, which are the urges we should not suppress, and what are the disorders or the diseases we get by suppressing these urges. When we suppress these urges once in a while, then it's okay, but when we do it repeatedly, then it will definitely cause health issues. The first one is the belching. When we suppress this belching forcibly, then it will lead to loss of taste, tremors, constipation, feeling of stiffness, compression in the chest region, cough and hiccup. Next, suppression of Adovata leads to abdominal tumor, abdominal distension, bloating, abdominal pain, tiredness, exhaustion, blurring of vision, loss of digestive power, low metabolism and diseases of heart. Urge to defecation. When we suppress this, it will cause a running nose, cold, congestion, headache, splitting pain in the anal region, compression in the chest. Next, when we suppress the urine, it will lead to breaking pain in all parts of the body, urinary stones, pain in the region of the urinary bladder, pain in the groin. When we suppress sneezing, it leads to headache, feeling of weakness in the sense organs, weak perception by sense organs, stiffness of the neck, facial paralysis. Next, when we suppress the urge to drink water, it will lead to emaciation, feeling of dryness in the body, deafness, loss of consciousness, giddiness, diseases of heart. Next, when we try to suppress the urge to have food, it will cause body pain, anorexia, aversion to food, loss of taste, debility, emaciation, loss of weight, colic pain, giddiness and delusion. Nidra, that is, when we suppress the urge of sleep, it leads to delusion, heaviness of head, heaviness of eyes, laziness, lassitude, yawning, body pain. Next, Kasa or the cough. It leads to difficulty in breathing, anorexia, aversion to food, cardiac disorders, emaciation, depletion of tissues, hiccup, feeling of dryness in the body. Next, when we suppress the urge for breathing on exertion, it causes abdominal tumors, bloating, cardiac disorders, loss of consciousness, fainting and delusion. When we suppress the urge of yawning, it leads to headache, feeling of weakness in the sense organs, weak perception by sense organs, stiffness of the neck, facial paralysis. Urge to weep. When we suppress it, it leads to anorexia, aversion to food, giddiness, delusion, abdominal tumor, bloating of abdomen. Urge to vomit. When we suppress that, it will cause herpes, skin rashes, eye disorders, itching, anemia, liver disorders, fever, cough, shortness of breath, nausea, swelling and edema. So these are the Adharaniya Vegas, and we should not try to suppress these natural urges. So Ayurveda has also spoken about the Dharaniya Vegas. Dharaniya Vegas are those urges which we need to suppress. That is the greed, hatredness, jealousy, attachment, and these are the things which we need to suppress in our life to be healthy. So that's all friends. So we'll meet in the next video. Thank you.